Welcome to Tinks Invest. We're talking about investing, finance, and professional women. As the recording time of 4:19 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum currently $2,950, up about 9.34% so far. With respect to overall crypto market, you see clearly we are bright green at the moment. With respect to the tech sector as well, that is primarily surging ever since the massive rotation that we saw among a lot of the large cap tech stocks yesterday, showing some signs that the whales are waking up. It seems like the rotation in a recovery type of perspective is definitely coming in. And with that affectation and also being supported by the positive, and I would say, not just positive, but like knock it up the park by 3 folds in comparisons to Wall Street expectation on the job numbers that came out earlier today, triangulating into a massive Friday today, right? And respect to the technical front, we'll dive into in a bit. Just want to give you guys an update on the Patreons. I know some of my members have requested that I add some selective stocks and crypto. So as of today, thanks to my two friends on Patreon, I've added both BAT, Basic Attention Token, onto the analysis, and also Robinhood as well. So feel free to take a read. Let me know if you have any questions. In addition to that, I've also uploaded, this is what I was talking about, the buy, sell, hold signals, and obviously the risk management DCA. My Patreon members know very familiar with this. I've also added a couple of proprietary research reports on selective stocks like Tesla. In addition to Tesla, I've also included Neo and also with respect to Palantir. These are relatively substantive reports, so if you were to take a read, it's in the Dropbox for the respective patrons. You saw the link that I shared yesterday. So if you were to click through it and take a read and let me know if you have any questions, happy to dive into more and obviously provide you some more, right? These are relatively comprehensive reports that are, reports that are provided to hedge funds. So please use them confidentially for your own, obviously, informational purposes only. So let's just dive straight into the technicals, shall we? Again, today was a massive day, so let's just look into the technicals, how is trading going forward. And respect to, again, recording time of 4:21 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum currently approximated 2,950, which is the next comfortable level matching with this line right here. You can see that we've tested this before. And we are just at basically the blink of going back up to the 3,000. But we know that 2,950 is not a real level. It's just a non-substantive consolidated level formed by psychology. But the real level that we've seen so far is really the 3,150, right? So this weekend, we might see us getting up there. And I think with respect to breaking through 1, 2, 3 resistance level today, seems like the bullish sentiment is still, durating. We are at the 52 out of 70, so the reversal is fully maxed on right now. This is not even, there's no doubts that this is reversing. Obviously, the whales are speaking the language as we are right now, obviously, with ever since the Golden Cross. So again, I'm not a wizard, right? I'm not predicting the future, and people that have been following my list on a DCA perspective in Patreon every single day, you guys understand my perspective, right? I'm just looking at the frames of quantitatives, comparing both technical analysis and the fundamental analysis, and identify the gap. And now we're seeing, relatively good profits, right? And I've been doing this, in a repeated fashion, just like recycling money, if you may, to cultivate your assets, appreciative, every single time you invest, right? And that's how you apply logics and subsequently generate a great return for yourself. And Bitcoin is made a monumental shift today. You can see clearly we are above 40,000. So that was the relatively hard level to crack through. You could see that was a mega one red candle, but you could see that appreciated over time and continue to go back up right now. We're at the 52 out of 70 right now, and you could see that the reason we formed it is because we have that golden cross as well, right? It seems like the across the market is definitely bullish. I mean, we're up close to 10%, so definitely amazing. Dogecoin up about 4.23%, 14.39 right now. Anywhere from the 13.60 all the way to 12 cents is still logical at the 44 out of 70. So I'll probably not touch it right now. But anything from basically, again, right, 13.75 to below is still fair game. Cardano's up about 4.36%, anywhere from 102 to 92 is still logical. Solana, I'm up crazy right now. I bought at $90.40, right? I bought 20 Solana, and I'm up like I think 20% so far. It's quite interesting, definitely. And you could see that we were extremely submerged, so it's just a logical move, right? It's just technical speaking the truth, reversing back up as you form that golden cross. You are getting rewarded royally. I know some of my friends here bought more than 20 Solana, and they up like, I think one of my patrons, he's up like $12,000. Not 1,200, $12,000. So you could see like he's pretty loaded. But congrats to this guy. Really appreciate you. I don't want to drop his name, but for obviously confidential reasons. But I'm happy for you, bro. Let's keep pushing. XRP is up about 5.46%, 63 cents right now. Anywhere from the 60 cents to 57s, great for us to incur risk. I would probably not touch it right now. Polkadot's up about 7.5%, anywhere from 1824 to below to 1587, still logical. Algorand up about 5.50%, 98 right now, anywhere from the 90 all the way to 79 cents is still logical. Shiba Inu is up about 6% right now at 21.98. Anywhere from, again, right, low 2000s to 1400 to 900 from here is still logical. Right now, the 39 out of 70. So it's a little bit more oversold in comparisons to other ones, which are obviously more, there's some favoritism among investors, definitely, right? But Shiba Inu is like one of those, like, do you really believe in the long term? If you do, then it's a good hedge, right? MagTech is up about 7%. We're reversing up, going back to the 175 shortly. But real level that I would like they'll encourage would be anywhere from 145 to 120 from here. We just formed a golden cross, so that's why we're surging right now. Logically, that's just technical speaking the truth, nothing crazy. AVAX up about 11%, so amazing. I like anywhere from, again, 59 to 50. Right now, would I be buying in? Probably not, because at the neutral level, and we formed the cross recently, so I would have bought anywhere from, again, right, 59. That was the level that I would have bought, right? But I don't feel like I missed out. It's just I'm speaking the technicals, and I'm just translating to see is a good level for me to incur risks. And with respect to Luna, up about 1.15% right now, 51. So again, right, with respect to the level identified so far, 62, 52, 45. So we're at the 52 right now, right? And 30 out of 70. So still logical to incur risk, really, with the secondary level of the resistance level identified so far, right? So we just the cusp of like attractive level that would identify, right? So appreciate you. It's my Friday evening update. And again, right, the exercise that we've been through for the past couple of weeks so far, why it's coming true. And I see the comments in the comment section like calling me a wizard or whatever when everybody's doubting me. Again, I'm just speaking technicals. I don't ever make predictions, right? I'm just logically identifying the gaps, right? Compare fundamental analysis with the technical analysis. That's what I do on a daily basis on Patreon, right? And that's why people that read the signals are making crazy returns. And I think they make crazy returns not because I'm telling them to buy a lot. It's just because they buy a lot more than I do. They have a higher risk tolerance than I will ever have. They are, making royal gains. But is that a healthy habit? I don't think so, because they have more money than me. So to each his own, right? But I am just a conservative person. I like to sleep well at night and invest into companies and businesses that I feel comfortable believing in long-term fundamentals, and not chase. I don't ever use emotions when I am investing, right? I just use hard math and quantitatives. The ones that actually spoken with me before in my my Patreon engagement on my one-on-ones, you guys know the way I think, right? I don't ever say because I feel like it. I have an assumption. I have a hypothesis. I predict. I never say anything like that, because that's not math. That's not really investing. That's gambling. You know what I'm trying to say? And I don't ever gamble. I don't I have been to casinos, but I never really gamble. So hopefully that makes sense. Appreciate you for joining me again. Have a great Friday, and take care.